This video will show you another way to invite people to a video meeting by using Google Calendar. To begin, make sure you have Meet open on your computer. Now, click the New Meeting button on the left side of your screen. Select Schedule in Google Calendar. A Google Calendar event will open. This calendar event already contains the link for other people to join your video meeting. Now, just add the other details and save the event. First, click on Add Title. Type in a title for your event. Make sure the title is brief and reflects the content of the meeting. For example, if you want to meet to plan your celebration, you can type in Celebration Planning Meeting. When you click on the date, a small calendar will pop up. Click on the day that you want your meeting to take place. Now choose a start and end time. Click on the time to choose when to start the meeting. Click on the end time to choose when to end the meeting. Finally, click Add Guests. Type in the email address of the person you want to invite, then press Enter or Return. To invite more than one person, type in their email address, then press Enter or Return. If you don't have anyone to invite, type in your own email address. When you are done, click Save. You will see a pop-up window asking you if you would like to send these people an email invitation to your meeting. Click Send. The people you invite will receive an email inviting them to RSVP for the meeting. If they have a Google account, the meeting will also appear on their Google Calendar. You can open up your calendar at any time, then click on the event to open it. Make changes, and see who is planning to attend your meeting. To learn more about how to use Google Calendar, check out the lesson Google Calendar for Beginners. Now it's your turn. Click New Meeting, select Schedule in Google Calendar, add in the meeting details like the time, date, and guests, and save the meeting. Then, click Next to watch your next video.